Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for my friend Troy down in Tennessee on this RCI-2970N2. Troy, we got you ready to go. Let me show what we got, my friend. Our power all the way down, 5-watt slug. We run about 3.5-4 watts carrier all the way down. 100-watt slug, average mode. 40 watts all the way up. We'll spin it back down, show you average power. Low audio, low audio. 90 bird average. We're going with a peak with a 5x position. There's 200, there's 250. Low audio. A 225, 230 watts. Alrighty, Troy, she's ready to go, my friend. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bum bum.